shit like that. Got him? Yeah, you do.
Little cat.
Little cat. Well, we know they're in here. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, I think I still got him. Yep.
Yeah. You set the crap out of that hook.
Well, I kind of like forgot for a second. I was like, oh shoot, that was a hit. And then I like, yeah, pretty much. I did set the heck out of the hook. But who's got 2 gills in there? So that's all I'm saying. Yeah. I did it mainly because I didn't want to like interrupt any of these cat lines, because I know that's like the main reason why we're actually here. Just want to have a little fun and actually catch a panfish or 2. I'm just like 1 or 2 cranks off the bottom. Be wary though, you're probably gonna get hung up. And people wonder why I have such an aggressive hook set for just a small bait stealer. Rip her up, make it so it can't get off the hook, and then yank it back up the rest of the way.
You don't force them in all the way to start.
You don't go yeet and pull it straight from 15 foot to up in the air. You're wrong.
You don't yeet it so hard that you're so close. It ends up on so fast slope.
He should be unconscious until you can get him up to the top.
You just had that drop straight down?
Straight down.
So when you fill that bait bucket up with some water.
Oop, dangerous. You're gonna just...
Were you straight on the bottom, or you
Dude, basically you're right on the bottom, yeah. Felt it. It's the first gill I've gotten in a long time. Of course, there's no rope on this dang thing anymore. Oh, there we go. And I wasn't recording, even though that could be our only fish we catch today. I hardly doubt it, but you know, I one time went into a fishing derby when I was younger for bluegill, and I caught 120 in 3 hours.
Did you win?
Way over win. They were like, what the hell? They thought that the person that won, so they accidentally didn't see my name. And they were like, the winner is this guy with like 26 bluegill. And I was like, oh, buddy, I don't think you understand. I came here with like 2 Walmart bags full of bluegill. You just get hit. I gotta go back to the other side. The other side's almost flat, then I'm gonna catch fish. And if I can't catch fish, then there's no point in being here, quite frankly. This. You got him.
Oh, you. Oh,
no. About time, Gossage. Yeah, you did. He's still in shock right now. Poor guy. That's what I'm saying. That's what I told you. You gotta yeet them out of there so freaking hard that they don't even know what's left and right and up and down. When you can lip a bluegill, it means you got tiny fingers. I hate you, wind. The video's just gonna be.
Got that one, didn't you?
Heck yeah, Brennan. Get him.
Channel.
Heck yeah, Brennan. Heck to the yeah. Brennan's actually getting bit on the target species here.
It went through his bottom lip and through his top lip. It has a pinch shut.
That's good. More aerodynamic when you're trying to bring them in. It's a good goal to do. And I got that on video. Oh, got him. Got him. I got him. You're coming up here.
Oh, wow.
Come on in the boat. Get in the boat. Yep. There you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed. Stop, please. Come on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing any of the equipment that I used in this video, it's in the comment section below. It's in the description below. Please check it out. Really? Really? Come on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up as well as to subscribe for more content. But if you guys are interested in purchasing any of the gear that I was using in this video, especially the heavy sack rod, please check them out. It's heavysackrod.com. Tell them I sent you, and I'm sure it'll hook you up with a little something. But I don't know exactly what that'll be. But also, if you guys So if you have not seen this video right here, please check it out as well as this video right below it. Don't forget to subscribe. This is the last chance to subscribe. And right below is my buddy's channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Fish now, worry later. Yeah!